Welcome students. Now in this lecture we are going to start our worksheet number 4 and the method is long division method. Here first question is given, find the square root of the following numbers by using long division method. We are taking here three numbers 9801, 6561, 390625. As we have done in the previous lecture in basics, first of all we have to make pairs from the right hand side of two numbers, others we can say two digits. Like this, make underline to show pairs. After this, what we have to do? We have to choose a number multiply same number should be less than this value, otherwise equal to this value. As you know, we have done in the starting of chapter scale up to 10. 98, as you know, scale of 10 is given by 100 and scale of 9 is given by 81. So we are going to choose here 9 multiply 9. 81. So we write down here 9. Here it becomes 7, 1. Next we are done 0, 1. There are two options. We can add them, otherwise double of this. Both gives us 80. Digit multiply same digit. If we see last digit is 1. Scale of which number gives us at 1? It is only gives by 1. Otherwise 9. If we see here, if you take here 1. 181 multiply 1, it becomes 181. Not possible. So we are trying here 9. 9 9 ja 81. 8 carry. 9 8 ja 72 and 8. 80. 8 carry. 9 8 ja 9 and 8. 17. Balance 0. So here digit is 9. So square root of 9801 comes out 99. Now we have to choose a number multiply same number should be equal to 65, otherwise less than 65. We know that 8 8s are 64. So balance comes out 1. Pair of next. Now 8 plus 8 16. Otherwise double of this 16. We have to choose digit. As you know 161 1 ja 161. So the digit comes here 1. So square root of 6561. It is given by 8 1. Now if we see here, first pair is 39. We know that scale of 6 is 36. Scale of 7 is 49. So we choose here 6 as a digit. 6 6 are 36. 6 digit comes here. 9 minus 6 3. 3 minus 3 0. Next pair comes out 0 6. Double of this digit, otherwise sum of these two. 12. Multiply. We put a digit, multiply same digit. How can we identify? For this digit, ignore this digit. Because this is not the last pair. We cannot say here like this. 1 1 ja, 9 9 ja. So here, leave the last digit. In the table of 12, 30 comes here. Like this we can do. But it is not the last pair. In the table of 12, 30 comes here. We know that 12 1 ja 12. 12 2 ja 24. 12 3 ja 36. Add the 3. It is bigger value. So we are trying for 2. So next digit is 2. 2 2 are 4. 2 2 are 4. And 2 1 are 2. So we get here 2. 0 minus 4 not possible. Take 1 more from here. 10 minus 4. 6. Now it becomes 2 minus 2. 0. Next pair turn 25. Now it is the last pair. Now double of this full number. Otherwise sum of these two. 1 2 4. Multiply a digit using same digit here. Now, as you know, this is the last pair. So, scale of which number gives us 5 at the last? That is 5. So, we use here 5. Otherwise, we can use this method also. For this digit, 5 is dropped. For 4 digit, 2 is also dropped. In the table of 12, 62 comes at what place? As you know, 62 does not come in the table of 12. But lesser value 12 5s are 60. So we choose 5 as a digit. This is another way. So now 5 5s are 25. 2 balance. 5 4s are 20 and 2. 22. Again 2 balance. 5 2s are 10 and 2. 12. 1 balance. 5 1s are 5 1. 6. Balance 0. Digit is 5. So square root of 390 625 comes out 625. So like this we can apply here long division method to find out the square root of given numbers. Let's continue with the next values. Numbers are given by 108,241, 363,609, 120,409. First step, make pair from the right hand side. Pair of two digit like this. 093636, 090412. Now we have to choose a digit square of which is equal to 10 or less than 10. We know that 3 3s are 9. So first digit is 3 here. Balance 1. Next pair 82. So it become here 182. Double of this, otherwise sum of these two. 6. Digit multiply same digit. We leave this digit. If we use here 6 3s are 18. If we use here 3, it become 3 3s are 9. Bigger than this. So we choose here digit 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. Balance 12 minus 4, 8. It becomes 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. Here digit comes out 2. Next pair 41. Last pair double of 32, otherwise sum of these two 64. We have to put the digit multiply same digit. Square of which number gives us 1 and the last. There are two possibilities, 1 and 9. If we use here 1, 641 multiply 1, 641. So we are trying for here 9. 9 9s are 81, 8 carry. 9 4 are 36 and 8, 44, 4 carry. 9 6 are 54 and 4, 58. So the last digit comes out here 9. So square root of 108,241 is given by 329. Continue on the next. Square of 6 is given by 36. 0 balance. Next pair turn. Here comes out 6. 6 plus 6, 12. We use a digit. Multiply same digit. If you see here, it is a 2 digit, but here it is comes out 3 digit. 2 digit number cannot be divisible by 3 digit number. So we put here 0. Take the next pair down. Put here 0 because 60 double is 120. Now this is the last pair. If you see here, for this digit, 1 digit drop. For 0, we drop 0. In the table of 12, 36 comes at 3. So we try for 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 multiply 0 is 0. 3 into 2, 6. 3 1s are 3. So it divides fully. So square root of 363609 comes out 603. Now square of which number is 12, otherwise less than 12. 3 square is 9, less than 12. But square of 4 is 16, more than it. Sum of these two 6. We use 1 digit multiply same digit. Balance from here 304. As you know, for this digit we drop 4. In the table of 6, 30 comes at 5. If you use here 5, what we get? 5 5s are 25. 2 carry also comes. 5 6 are 30 into 32. So we cannot choose here 5. So we are going to choose here 4 here first. 4 4s are 16. 1 balance. 4 6 are 24. 1 25. 4 minus 6 not possible. Borrow 1 from here. 14 minus 6 8. Now it becomes 9 by taking borrow from here. 9 minus 5 4. 2 minus 2 0. Now it becomes 64 plus 4 68. Otherwise double of this. We have to choose a digit multiply same digit. Next pair turn. Next pair is our 9. If we see here, we need a digit. How can we identify? For this blank, 1 digit drop. For 8, we block this one. At the table of 6, 48 comes at 8. If we take here 8, 8 8s are 64. 6 carry also come. So it is not possible. It gives us a bigger value. So we are trying for one lesson. 7 7s are 49. 4 carry. 7 8s are 56 and 4. 60. 6 carry. 7 6 are 42 and 6. 48. So square root of 120409 is given by 347. We will continue with our remaining parts. Let's see. Now next values 57121, 147, 1369. Making pair from right hand side 1 2 1 7. So we took here 0, 9 6 3 1 1 4. 1 is left alone, so we put here 0. So first number, square of which is 5, otherwise less than 5. Square of 2 is 4, less than 5. One balance from here, we put here 2. Next pair, 7, 1. Sum of these two, otherwise double of this, 4. We put a digit, multiply same digit, may be equal to 171 after multiplication. If we drop this digit, 1 is dropped. In the table of 4, we try 4. 4 for the 16. If we put here 4, we get here 4 for the 16, 1 carry. It is the bigger one. So we try here 3, 4, 8. If we use here 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. We use here 3. Balance comes out from here. 1 minus 9 not possible. 1 borrow from here. 11 minus 9, 2. It becomes 6 minus 2, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. Next pair done. Our process is double of this number, otherwise sum of these two. 46. Put one digit, multiply same digit. If we see here, square of which number gives us 1 at the last, because it is the last pair. We know that square of 1 is 1 and square of 9 also gives us 1 at the last, because square of 9 is 81. If we use here 1, it becomes 461. It is too smaller, so we choose here 9. 9 9 ja 81, 8 carry. 9 6 are 54 and 8, 62, 6 carry. 9 4 are 36 and 6, 42. So square root of this number comes out to 139. Same here, 1 multiply 1 first, 1, 0 balance. Next pair turn 47. Sum of these two, 2. Now we have to put here 2 because double of 2 is 4. So 2 multiply 2, 4. 2 multiply 2, 4. 3 balance. Sum of these two become 2 and 4. Put a digit, multiply same digit. Pair next comes here 1, 3. It becomes 3 digit. It is 300. It is 200 something. So we choose here 1. 1 1 ja 1. 1 4 ja 4. 1 2 ja 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 11 minus 4 is 7. 2 minus 2, 0. Sum of these two become 242. Put a digit, multiply same digit. Take here next pair. It is 69. Here first digit is 1, second digit is 2, third digit is 1. Now, if we see here, if we leave one digit for it, 9 goes. One digit for it, 6 goes. 4, 2 goes. 2 3s are 6. So we try here 3. On 3, 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 1 carry. 3 2s are 6 1, 7. So balance 0. So square root of 147, 13, 69 comes out 1213.